Hey. Hey guys. Hey. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna try something I have never tried before. I want to see how the outcome will be like. I've seen this video going across YouTube and I want to try it out. Don't forget to like, comment down below what you think about this. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe because I'm on the road to 1K subscribers. This is how it looks like. This is 30 pieces of hair care. Comes with this. I don't even know how this works. So this is how it looks like. It has a short piece. I don't even know why I got this. I was like, let me just try it out. Got this from Amazon. These are the sizes. I don't know. I put my hair into 4 groups so I can do each one. So let's begin. I washed my hair, detangled it and blow dried it. How do you do this? Do you just put it in or what? Well, I've got to watch a video because I don't know how to do it. Oh, you just turn it around and then you put it in straight. Okay, but this is not too long. How is it gonna put it in? I finally know how to do this. What you have to do is put this in. Yep. And then put that one in. Yay! So you put it in this way. Oh, that's so easy. Apparently you have to make your hair wet a little bit. So I'm just gonna put news. So what you do is twist it. And then try to put this in. And then what do you do? Oh yeah, so you hold it and then you pull it in. Oh, there it is. That's my hair. Oh, this is really too long. Oh, this is so painful. Did it go in? Ah, I did not. Why does it keep coming off? So what I did was tape it. Because anytime I put the thingy in, I try to pull it out and this open, it just comes off. So I had to tape it with a double tape. Ah, managed to done it. Damn. This is a struggle. Ah! Whew, guys, this was a struggle. Like, it's so painful. Like, it's very painful. You know this, yeah? When you try to pull it, it pulls your hair and it tangles around it sometimes. So just be careful when you buy these things, cause use water. Is that too big?
Very bad quality.
This is what I'm saying.
It's too big.
So this is what I've got left. I'm gonna try to do this side and I'm gonna come back, okay? These ones are those left. I'm gonna try to add both together because it's too short. It did work. Oh. I'm finished. So the back was fine because it was long enough. The front, it wasn't because it was too short. As you can see, I had to double the smaller one so it can be enough. Honestly, if you really want to curly your hair, just go for the curly thong, because that one is so easy. This one you have to really struggle, especially when you're trying to pull this in. The hair goes round it and it gets so tangled, especially on natural hair. Natural hair is so painful, even though like you've already detangled it. So just be careful. I would say just go for the hair thong, but if you really want to try this one out, it's all up to you. I'm gonna go and do my stuff and wait for like 4 hours. It's about 6:21 p.m. Wait, can you like this video? Please help me out to know if you guys like this video. Thanks. Hi guys, I'm back. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out. Woo! Look at that! Hold on, hold on a second. I mean, it's not that bad. I like it. Ooh, I'm just gonna separate because it has to have a bit of volume. I can put in a style. Well, this is the final look. Let me give you a 360. So comment down below if you think if you've tried this and it worked for you, and don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, because I'm on the road to 1K subscribers. Okay, bye.